Think about a time when people didn't use money to buy things, but instead exchanged goods like goats for items like sacks of grain. This was the early stage of business, where survival depended on being clever and resourceful. As time passed, empires rose and fell, revolutions happened, and new ideas shaped how people traded. Merchants traveled along the Silk Roads, empires collected gold, and the Industrial Revolution brought about factories that created both pollution and opportunities. Business always kept moving, like a river shaping human civilization in ways we couldn't always see. However, navigating this river felt like steering a raft blindly. Success seemed unpredictable, relying on luck and gut feelings. Then came smart thinkers like Adam Smith and David Ricardo, who studied how supply and demand worked. Management pioneers like Frederick Taylor and Henry Fayol focused on making businesses more efficient. Slowly, a body of knowledge started to form, giving structure and predictability to the once uncertain world of business. This quest for understanding led to the birth of formal business education at universities like Wharton and Harvard. These became places where aspiring business leaders learned from the wisdom of the past and created their own paths. But as time went on, business knowledge kept growing and branching out. Specialization became important, with experts in finance, marketing, strategy, and many other areas. Now, in the 21st century, we need a different kind of business education. Success is no longer just about expertise in one area. It's about combining different skills like starting and growing a business, finance, leadership and development, marketing, strategy and execution, innovation and operation. The X Course is a revolutionary program that brings all these skills together, weaving them into a complete understanding of business. Imagine a learning platform where ancient trading wisdom meets modern financial insights, where legendary CEOs' secrets mix with the tools of Silicon Valley disruptors, and where marketing strategies blend with creating effective pitches and navigating the digital world. The X Course creates a world where business knowledge is not scattered but interconnected. But the X Course goes beyond offering information. It recognizes that business involves taking action. It serves as an incubator, combining theory with real-world application through case studies featuring large corporations and small startups. It guides you in solving practical problems, encouraging critical thinking and enhancing decision-making skills. The course imparts valuable lessons from both successful and unsuccessful experiences. The story of the X Course is not just about its advanced technology or detailed curriculum. It begins with a belief in making top-notch business education available to everyone, regardless of where they are or their background. This makes knowledge accessible to people around the world, giving them the power to shape their own paths in the dynamic business world. The future belongs to those who are quick, adaptable, and prepared. The X course gives you not only the tools, but also the compass to navigate the ever-changing river of business. It doesn't promise guaranteed success, but it offers knowledge, skills, and confidence to face challenges, set your own course, and make a mark in the business world. Head over to thexcourse.com and click See Inside. Dive deeper into the amazing topics of the X course. Get a sneak peek of content inside every topic and discover what awaits. Additionally, the course is led by the best explainers, elevating the learning experience to an entirely new level. It's time to unlock your learning potential. This isn't just a business course. It's an invitation to be part of the vast human tapestry of commerce. It's a chance to use knowledge as a tool and create your masterpiece in the history of business. Are you ready for this journey? The X course is waiting.